bitch if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. You feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls.
Hey guys, I'm finna show y'all how to reinstall some hair featuring Megalook. You'll need a hot comb, a spray bottle, and some tweezers. And of course a comb. Why, you may ask? Because we finna pluck this hair. Now I'm not doing a plucking tutorial. If y'all want that, that'll be a separate video itself. But also you need some clips. And then this is optional, but you can also get a wax stick. So here I'm just gonna show y'all what the lace is looking like before I work my magic. Yep, already starting off good. And voila, this is the after, girl. I definitely did that. Now grab you some mousse and then make sure that every single piece of hair is pushed back. And then make sure you blow dry that. If y'all want to know the link to this blow dryer, it's in my Binkus account in the description. Thank you. See, we want the hair exactly molded like this. Now since our hair is flat and molded, it's going to be really easy to go ahead and glue the lace down. And for this install, I'm using Erica J's products. I'm going in with her Skin Guard to make sure that the lace sticks and that my skin is completely clean and dry. The Skin Guard does dry down fast, but I went in with a blow dryer just in case. Now, following up with her glue, I believe I used 5 layers. You want to make sure that you are not gunking up your glue either. You want it to be very thin so that it disappears super fast. And you can just layer it up as many times as you need to. Okay, I know I look a little raw XD, but I had to do my lip stain, girl. Okay, now that our glue is crystal clear, you want to go ahead and just start seeing where your lace is going to be at. Once you have the initial part of the lace secure, go ahead and go in and get those nooks and crannies. Once you have everything secure, go ahead and put a lace band on and get into styling your hair. I'm just so in love with this blonde against my complexion. It just looks so nice. Now that I've took my band off, we're gonna go ahead and go in with Ruby Kisses foundation and then lightly press that into the lace. Don't gunk it up. Now I'm going in with her liquid melting spray and putting that around the perimeter of my lace. Make sure you brush the hair back just to make sure it doesn't get in the lace. Tie it down. I use barber wrap as well. Here I'm defining my part because you can't really see it. And voila, here we go. I went ahead and put layers into this wig because I just felt like it gave an extra oomph to it. If y'all want a video on that, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.